We're going to do examples Rajul, problem number 2. And again, we're going to use the first two guidelines from our notes to simplify this problem, this trigonometric expression. And as we can see, right away, we've got tangent of negative beta turns into negative tangent of beta using our even and odd identities. Let's go ahead and change that real quick. So we get negative tangent of beta, and we're still multiplying that to cosecant of beta. After we've done this, we can use guideline number 2. When all else fails, change everything into sines and cosines. So tangent of beta is sine of beta over cosine of beta. And cosecant of beta is 1 over sine of beta. Once we've gotten here, we can see that the numerator and denominator on these two fractions cancel out, and you're left with negative 1 over cosine of beta. Once we get that, we know that negative 1 over cosine of beta is negative secant of beta. And we're all done, so we'll put a little check mark to say that we're all done. And what we're saying again is that tangent of negative beta times cosecant of beta is the same as negative secant of beta, and we can check this using Desmos, so let's go ahead and do that now. So as we can see, we've got tangent of negative x times cosine of x. I changed the betas into x's so that I could graph it on Desmos. And we can see that graph here, and we're just going to see if the secant graph overlaps it. So there's that graph. Let's see if that secant graph overlaps it. And as you can see, the secant graph perfectly overlaps the graph of tangent of negative x times cosecant of x. So we know that we got our answer right. And that is problem Rajul number 2.